the channel. This week is going to be a little bit different than what you've been used to. We're going to make a theme, an aviation theme this time. So this week is going to be maybe more or less containing things from the Sun and Fun Air Show in Lakeland, Florida, that's just been here last week. I like to share this with you guys, and I also like to share some of our experiences over those few days we were there, and maybe show you a few clips from some of the new stuff and also some of the old stuff. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and share this with some of your family and friends, and also hit the notification bell, and then we'll get notifications whenever I make a new video. Anyway, welcome back, and let's get started. Saturday night there was a big event at night, and one of the events was the drone show. Here's the drone show. Enjoy.
That's enough fun.
Drones. There we are.
Oh shit!
That's a drone. 200 of them.
Baby, we're gonna be famous. Woo!
Unbelievable. Man, this is cool.
Oh my god, I got a GoPro!
Let's fly straight at it.
Oh my god!
That is cool, huh?
Yeah.
Alright everybody, let's put our hands together for the Aerospace Center of Excellence for their ability to engage, educate, and accelerate the next generation of aerospace professionals. This is our tribute to what they do for our aviation community every day.
Look. Unbelievable.
Hey all you TikTokers out there, we know you know this song, and we know you know this dance, so let's have a little fun and show us what you got with our colorful hot air balloon.
Look. This is unbelievable. Hot air balloon. Yeah, it's really incredible. Look. That's a hot air balloon with drones, Sonny. This is unbelievable.
To all those men and women who love jumping out of perfectly good airplanes, here's a little drone skydiver action.
Here's your skydiving stuff down there.
In 1946, the Chief of Naval Operations, Admiral Chester Nimitz, had a vision to create a flight exhibition team in order to raise the public's interest in naval aviation and boost Navy morale. We've all come to love this team that we know as the Blue Angels. Please give a round of applause as we salute the past 75 years of the traditions, excellence, and amazing formations that the Blue Angels have provided to us. Let's salute them for their 75 years.
We can't make the ground shake the way these guys do, so make sure to come out the next few days to see the real deal. But for now, let's light up the sky a little blue.
Wow. I can do that. Wow. Awesome.
Incredible, huh? Oh my God.
It's the guts and it's the glory. 100 stripes or 100 stories. It's the pledge of allegiance on the 4th of July. It's them handwritten letters from home. It's them sleepless nights alone. It's his newborn baby he left with his wife. Mr. Red, White, and Blue.
That's cool, right?
Lay down, here's a line. Mr. Red, White, and Blue. For these stars that shine.
Wow.
Phillips 66 has passionately supported aviation since the early days of flight. They offer a full line of FAA-approved aviation lubricants that include premium single and multi-viscosity engine oils, as well as hydraulic fluids. Their aviation products provide premium protection in all conditions, from takeoff to landing, from break-in to overhaul. To learn more about their full line of aviation lubricants, visit phillips66lubricants.com.
Look there, he's flashing.
Last night road that you travel home, just one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you've been, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door.
Good morning, Vietnam! Hey, this is not a test. This is rock and roll. Time to rock it from the Delta to
We
the
can't end the show without some love for our helicopter pilots out there.
It's a green sea water rifle. Hey.
And that's a wrap for us. This is just the beginning of the drone show technology in the entertainment world. We appreciate everybody coming out. Stay safe and enjoy your night from Phillips 66, Sun and Fun 2021, and Starlight Aerial Productions. Have a great night, everyone.
I don't know about you, ladies and gentlemen, but that's one of the most remarkable things I have ever seen. Put it together for the drones. Wow. Rob,
I'm so very impressed. That's just too much fun.
remarkable. The way that, they're rolling out, put the back on the deck,
at
but
that.
that is most remarkable. I don't know how many, did she ever say how many?
I counted when I saw the 3 parachutes.
Right.
I counted 18 drones in each canopy and 4 below it for the skydiver. So I count 66 drones in that demonstration.
Very
and
good.
it looks so cool.
Michael's really getting it on today. What do you think, Sun and Fun? Let's make some
Well, that drone show is one of the most breathtaking things I've seen for a while. Very, very spectacular and very, very beautiful too. So I hope you enjoyed just as much as I did. It's really worth it. Thanks. It's time to do like 3 and leave. See you next time.